Everybody's trying to make passive income. Now I'm going to show you a real interesting way to actually do this. So let's get straight after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, this is education purposes only. Let's do this. So starting over on eakdigital.com. So in the blockchain community of ICO investors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts, guys, influencers and persons whose opinions can affect the worth of cryptocurrencies. Just like every other web community, influencers in the crypto space use various social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Twitter to churn out content that focuses on cryptocurrency and the web sculptured created around it. Why do influencers exist? A lot of factors make the cryptocurrency investing sphere an extremely complicated one. Ever-evolving regulations, blockchain tech concepts, highly unpredictable market trends, and the influx of scammers are the complicated issues investors need to deal with. This is the reason influencers exist. So to make those complicated issues clear to non-technical people, since a typical crypto investor will not have the time on every development happening in the rapidly evolving blockchain industry, influencers must demystify the complex issues that crypto investors on the blockchain community must deal with. So most influencers in crypto accomplish this by creating video content exploring the current trends and projects in the crypto space. Followers are such as influencers will remain up to date on the market trends in the crypto space via the influencers created content. Crypto investors then make informed trade decisions based on the content created by influencers. Now, various influencers have unique areas of specialization and interest in the blockchain sphere, but typically an influencer with devoted followers is a thought leader whose content has widespread market consequences. So a crypto affiliate network is another one, and the crypto affiliate program or referral program on the other hand offers a way to earn money by sharing an affiliate link and encouraging people to visit a website or joining a platform. Now guys, cex.io customers don't need to search the internet trying to find the best affiliate programs to suit their needs. It actually offers referral rewards for both individuals and businesses. So it doesn't matter whether you want to attract hundreds of people through your website or simply just share your affiliate link among friends. Once the people you've invited register and make a trend on cex.io, you'll get 30% of the trading fees to pay. The more people you invite, the more you can earn. That's what's incredible about this. Now starting your crypto YouTube channel. I want to direct you to medium.com, the links are down below, and talk about how this individual actually started this. So about 1 year and 5 months ago, they began to take vlogging seriously because they realized that they have learned a lot of things and it's time to start giving back to the community. This can only be done easily by creating cryptocurrency and blockchain contents on YouTube. So they began to grow crypto niche YouTube channel organically in November 20. Now, without doubt, the task wasn't easy, They felt like they started too late when a lot of the colleagues have already grown their channels with a considerable amount of followers. Some had over 10,000 channels. Some has actually been monetized for over 2 years. So growing a cryptocurrency YouTube channel with valuable content is one of the ways you can build influence as a cryptocurrency trader and a service provider. It doesn't matter what kind of role you're playing in the cryptocurrency blockchain industry. Someone is looking to get started in the industry every single day. So give the world an opportunity to leverage your experience in this. It might be rough, but I promise you, consistency is key and it will pay off. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Please support us by hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.